friends, Running Kimono here. So we have Walgreens, Rite Aid, Meijer. I think that's all the stores. There might be more. I don't know. It's a midweek haul. So if you like, the other little stores, we have other little deals. But the first store we're going to dive right into is everybody's favorite, Walgreens. So this is a deal that I was chatting about yesterday. And it's actually quite spectacular. Even if you don't have the spend 10, get back 10 booster. I don't have one, so I'm right with you guys that don't have it, but it's still a fabulous deal. Grabbing 3 of these dry sprays, they are $5 a pop, $5 store register reward when you buy 3, and yes, that did in fact print out for me. Now, these are the digital coupons that you must load that include a 4 off a 2. Which is the first one. The second one is a $2 off. And here's a fun story for you guys. That did not come off at the register for me. And it's part of the photo. So talk about that. But what I did was I called customer service and they helped me out. Or I did that little text chat because I don't like talking on the phone. And they gave me my $2. But that did not come off, just to note that. Now, what makes it so spectacular is that IBOTTA is giving back $1.50 for each, so that's $4.50 back, and Fetch Rewards is giving back the same amount. Depending what gift card you get, such as a Walmart gift card, that's not $4.50, but if you're doing, I think, Starbucks and Bath and Body Works, it should be shaking out to $4.50. I know a lot of you don't like it when I say it's $4.50, but do the fetch math. They're doing weird stuff over there, but it's still a good gift card if you pick the right one. Okay guys, so looking at the math for this, 3 of the Axe dry sprays is $15 on the nose. Subtracting the $6 in digitals, you're paying $9, getting back a $5 store register reward, $4.50 back from IBOTTA, $4.50 back from the Fetch Rewards app, making this free plus a $5 money maker. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn that register reward. I did that yesterday and had no problems, no issues. But what a great little deal for some free Axe. Okay, the next deal that we're going to look at is with the Pringles Scorching Buffalo. So this is a very hot chip, and I looked at the expiry date on these just for fun. They don't expire till I think December, so you have a while. So if you can find 8 of them in this store, we have a digital coupon, which is $1 off of 4. These are also on a buy one, get one free promotion. Lots of stores are on hidden clearance. They're not even tagged, so that might be better for a lot of you. Grabbing 8 of them, that's $1.16. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying 16 cents for the 8 or 2 cents per can. Okay, so for this next little deal, I wanted to use this guy because it was expiring. Hopefully yours hasn't expired if you haven't used it, but it's $5 off of a L'Oreal Paris skincare product. When people get these sort of coupons, I'm always asked, well, can I use it on floor cleaner? No, you have to use it on said product. Get a strict cashier. You're going to be probably yelled out of the store for using it on floor product. So this is what I grabbed, $6.99 for a L'Oreal Paris brightening scrub cleanser. They should add a couple more words for that. So it's $6.99. Subtracting that $5 register reward, the total is $1.99. I didn't have a booster, so I used $2 in Walgreens cash. And it's a cheap little face cleanser, and I was able to use that register reward. I wish I had used it in a $50 basket, but I guess I really wasn't thinking very well. Now, for those of you that were so lucky that got this $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend 10, it's valid from the 16th to the 18th. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I made a video yesterday, guys, where I go through the mathematics for a whole bunch of different scenarios on deals for this. So you might want to check that out if you have that booster just to maximize your money. Excellent video. Also, these are some boosters that we have for next week, starting on Sunday the 19th. $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend earn $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend 20, earn 10 when you spend 30 on health and wellness. We're definitely going to have to investigate that one. And then the one that all of us got, $6 of Walgreens cash when you spend 25. Those two, let's hope they stack. Also, if you love everything Valentine's Day, a lot of their merchandise 60% off, and then lots of the candy 50% off, so you might want to investigate that. Okay, more clearance at Walgreens. The Method Bamboo, so the green one is 99 cents. The original price point is $4.99. It's just an all-purpose antibacterial cleaner. I think they're discontinuing bamboo. I've seen it several stores on clearance. Also, in the frozen food section, if you like Haagen-Dazs, a lot of their ice creams are 50% off. And since I love to talk about the keto diet, I left absolutely everything in store. That black and white cookie one, I would have loved to have tried it, but I left it at the store. Okay, so now we're at Meijer, which is a grocery store in the Midwest. No sister store to this grocery store, so please don't ask. We're specifically looking for these Vaseline lip therapies. Find them at the checkout. If you have a bigger checkout lane, you know, the ones with like 12 or whatever in those bays, you might find them there. You know, when you line up for stuff, they have a whole bunch of like convenience items to grab. Their merchandise there, or in the lip balm section near the cold and flu, like the little cough drops, that sort of stuff. Grab 2 of them. Grabbing 2 of them, it's $2.90, and when you buy 2, you save $3 instantly. You don't have to load anything, and you have to grab them in sets of 2. I actually grabbed 22 in one transaction, and it worked out beautifully for me. The coupon or the instant savings just keeps adding up. To answer a couple quick questions, it's only this one, the tube lip balms or chap or whatever you call them, not part of it. It's only this tube one specifically that I'm showing you that's working with this. I tried the other one, so you don't have to. And then just to show you my gorgeous receipt, look at that, $1.45 coming off many, many times. Okay, so the last store that we have is Rite Aid, and I'm going to show you exactly what I bought. I got a Bounty paper towel for $7.99, 2 of the Always pads, and they are priced 2 for $10, and then for $12.94 a Tide Pod. So that is like $30 of merchandise, and the promotion for that is to spend $30, get back $10 this week. I also used one of these, which is a 5 off 25. Alternatively, if you get one out of the Catalina machine, if you buy a little candy, something might print out for you. I was getting a lot of 5 off 30, so you could throw that in as well. And then just to show you, I grabbed a couple photos of like some of the merchandise to show you. I think this Tide Pod, really good deal for $12.94, and that Free and Gentle one, hard to find. Or you can get the Tide Liquid. And just to show you what one of the coupons looks like. Sorry, guys, I used the Tide Pod one, so I don't have it to show it to you. And then I also grabbed 2 of the Always. I didn't have any digitals to go with that one. Okay, and then I had a 25-cent for the $7.99 Bounty, which is a really good deal. Over on IBOTTA earlier in the week, I had $1 back for each of the Always products over at Rite Aid, and then $3 back for the Bounty paper towels as well. Double, triple check you have the same rebates as I. That's $5 back in rebate, so that's why I kind of went with these items. But they were there again earlier in the week. Okay, so looking at the math for this, 2 of the Always for $10, a Tide for $12.94, a Bounty for $7.99 for a total of $30.93. Get the cashier to scan the 5 off 25 along with $3.25 in digitals. You're paying $22.68. You can roll bonus cash if you wish. You're getting back $10 in bonus cash as you spent $30, and then $5 back from IBOTTA, making it $7.68 for the 4, or $1.92 each. And I had a bonus cash challenge for Bounty and Tide, so that added to that as well. So really happy with this little basket. Okay, that's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.